Hello, my wonderful musicians. Hello, my lovers of piano. So here's Chico waiting to help me with the notes in left hand. Today we're going to cover left hand, 5 notes in the left hand. So when you see a bass clef stuff, that means we're going to use our left hand to play the notes. Bass clef. Let's keep going. The bass clef is a little harder. I remember when I was learning the piano, I never pretended everything was easy with my students. So when I learned the piano, I struggled with somehow I learned the treble clef, but bass clef was harder. I don't know why. And I see with most of my students, everybody learns the treble clef, but they struggle with the bass clef. So I am going to give you a little hints to remember when it comes to the bass clef. For example, this is Chico's favorite note. Can you see there is 5 lines and 4 spaces? So technically there is a middle line. Can you see there is 2 spaces from the top and 2 spaces from the bottom? And can you find the middle line? It's right in the middle. The 3rd line. That's where the note is. This note is on the middle line. And what I do, I divide this whole bass stuff into 2. I draw an imaginable yellow line on D. It's the middle line, and dog is on the middle line always. And if I know dog, if I remember this note, it's always easier for me to figure it out which one is on top and which note is under. So this is always who? This is a dog. The middle life is the dog. Middle life is the dog. You should always remember. You should never, ever, ever forget, because it's the easiest line to remember. Okay, so once we know the dog, we can figure it out. We can guess what the note above it would be. And the note above it is E. On a space, the note on a space is E. E is elephant. The note under it, directly under the C, when you see your middle line, directly under D would be C. Can you tell? You know your middle line, you know your D. C is right under. Cat is right under. So this is D, dog. Under is C, cat. Above is E, elephant. And we have only 2 more notes to learn. I used to have a student who was 4 years old, and it was very hard for him to learn piano. You can imagine being 4 years old and learning how to play piano. It's just so difficult. And he had a very hard time memorizing the notes, but he did not have any hard time with this note. Why? Because teachers call it a cheater note. It's a cheater note. It's an F. F is a cheater note. Froggy is a cheater note. Why? Because we start writing the F clef on the F line. So this is a cheater note. This is F. F is the cheater note. the middle note, the middle line is D. The note right under D is C. The note above D is E. And here comes the cheater note. This is F. Middle line D. Note under D is C. E, elephant. F, cheater note, frog. D, dog. And the last one, which is not difficult to remember. If you know these 4 notes, it shouldn't be difficult to remember because it's in the very top spot, in the very top space, and it is giraffe. It's giraffe. So we're going to add giraffe. Everybody likes giraffe. And giraffe is not too difficult to remember, right? So this would be G. Let's keep going. Let's see if you can remember them all. This is C, cat. This is the cat. This is E, elephant. This is cheater note. F. Can you see it? This is D, dog. Dog that is licking my water bottle right now. This is giraffe. Okay, let's get started again. Now I'm going to just show it to you the card. I'm going to say it, but I'm going to delay the actual word, the actual answer, because I'm waiting for you to say it first to see if you got it right. C. E. F. That's my favorite. It's my absolute favorite. D. G. C. E. Let's shuffle it again, and let's try it one more time. See if you're getting it. I know you're getting it. I know you got most of them down by now. Okay, let's do it one more time. F. G. C, cat. D, dog. E, cheater note, F. G. Let me randomly take them out. This is C. This is E. This is D. I would rather keep our sessions short enough where you're not getting too tired, and repeat it again. Just a few minutes later, repeat it again, or repeat it in the evening, and you will know all the notes in no time. Bye, have fun! T. Cody? Say goodbye. Bye. Bye, music lovers.